Mm,
What's going on?
not much. What's going on? Hey man, I'm still uh, getting it together. I was like, dang, might miss a goal long for show, but know my rules. Um, if I ain't ready, I ain't ready. That's just how it go. Got a couple trays trying to brew up here, but if I miss it, I miss it. What's going on? I hope everybody having a good day. I had to definitely meditate a little extra long. It's been a rough morning. You got kids, you know. Oh man, have to make sure my mind right. That's the main reason why. Also, I'm like, if I miss it, I miss it. It is what it is. I ain't finna rush it, and I might miss it. It's for sure coming back to the area, huh? That I'm looking for. Let's see, get the Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. All right, let's get the goal. See what goal talking about. Mm, I have a yeah, came right there. I wanted to come a little further though, so I'm not. I'm looking here. The long yesterday was beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. I'm, let's see. I'm long goal. Only a couple here. Let me see. I didn't even go in with normal size. Let me see if we come here. I took the long here. See if you get back over the point of control. And then see if we can start to push up back to this 51 area. Oh, I'm in Sim. Ha! Ah. I might get left now. Let's see. Uh, Possibly. We'll see. I'm definitely not gonna rush it now because it is what it is, man. I don't. I don't know. I don't know. Oh man. Let's see here. Mm, okay. I'm filled now. Woo. See what happens here. Let's see. Put it my stops below the low.
Mm-hmm.
It's no sense. There. Good reward. Okay, we pushing. We actually in the real account this time. um, we pushing. Let's push above the POC. Come on, above the PO. See what we can do there. Come on. I would I wanted I want to see it back at that 50 area. Trying trying to test back above the POC. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Push on. Here we go. We're on top of the POC. Ooh. I don't want to go to break even just yet. I don't know if I want to trail it. I don't know what I want to do. We're getting close to where I would like to see it get to. There we go. Above the POC. Above the POC. Keep it put. There we go. I don't. Ooh. Let me see. Do I want to? All right. I'm going to go to break even. I'm going to go to. Oh, I should have probably scaled out. Oh, I'm coming. It's coming for my. It's coming back to break even. I'm not. No. I'm going to the lows. I'm not going to break even yet. I'm gonna let it cook. Try to let it cook a little bit. I should have. See. Then come back to the 50s. Let's see. Push on up. Push on up. I'm okay with the stop. Like I said, I didn't go in full. So I'm okay. That's 3 points. I don't want a 1-1. Which is, I mean, it went up to about 4 points, but I'm looking for a little bit bigger move there. Ooh, coming for my stop now. Let's see, coming for my stop. He's trying. Let's see. All right, now pushing back up. Let's see. It's a good spot. I'm gonna let it cook because if you take out the lows, then it's of course it wants to go lower. So I'd rather see if we can get this push up instead of a 1-1. Looking at trying to go up here 2-1. At least get back to about 52. See what it do there. We talked about, man, letting your trades cook a little bit. I could have took that. I could have, got out of the trade, but also what I'm risking, I'm okay with risking at this point. So I don't want a 1-to-1. That's where I would have got out. Um, let's see if we can get back above point of control. If not, if we struggle, it definitely wants to go lower. I'm okay with that too. Gotta let it cook a little bit. Gotta let it cook. Gotta let it cook. If not, you know, you got your risk, proper risk. Oh, there we go.
You say you went long?
Yeah, I'm long. Mm-hmm. It like I said, I'm up. I mean, it keeps playing around the PLC. I'm looking for a clean break of the PLC. I'm looking for if we do, which we didn't, we haven't got back over 33.50. We get over that, I'm not gonna play with it. I'm gonna go to break even then. Once we get over 33.50, because then we'll be getting closer to my take profit. But I'm letting it cook. I could have took 3 points. 3 points already, but then it'll be a 1-to-1 trade. I'm like, do I really want to? Did I really want to do that? Wanted to be a 1-to-1, so I'm trying to see it push back above here, um, and then I'll start looking at break even at that point. I need that good push, push. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say if not, then I'm cool with my stop loss, and I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Push. We go. There we go. There we go. All right, come on. Patience. Patience. We struggling. I need that. I need that break back above the PLC. There we go. Now it's getting up there. Now it's getting up there. Now we cooking. See, it's a 1-to-1 trade now, and you know what I mean. And I was like, don't. I prefer. I want to see it get above this 50 area. Come up in here and test. And see what it do. Let's see what this next candle on the 15. I got it on the 15. See what that do, and see if we can get a push up. Okay, push down, maybe push up. There we go, push up. Ooh, so see what this do. All right, there we go. It's pushing up for us. Nice little push up. Like I say, I want to get above here, and then we get back above. I'll go to break even at that point. There we go. Get above. I'm trying to let it cook. All right. We're going to keep rejecting. I don't want to go to break even yet, but I feel like there's a possibility it could come back to my entry and then stop me out. But I'm at break even. Order bill. I kind of figured it might do that if I went to break even. Okay. All right. See what else out here. Okay. I'd rather get short at that 52 area. See what happened at the lows here. Overnight lows.
Yeah. For me, I'm looking at the 33, 51, 52 area to go short. To go long, I'm looking at 33.25.
Ooh, you going all the way to the lows. Okay. I'm going to. I'm, I'm really looking here short. We can do it. Push back up, which is where I was looking to get out. Looking for a push up, but it didn't. I went to break even, which starting to look like the better trade here. So I'll tell you what I will do if we break the lows. If we break the lows, uh, I definitely look for a pullback, and I'll take the short. From there down, good look for a good place to get short. Yep. Saw the cookie crumble. We took out the lows.
Yep.
See what happened. But we also got a POC coming right on top of that POC and another
Yeah.
level. So
That's what I see. Yeah, and it's look like it's retesting off of it too.
Yeah, it bounced right off that boy. I tried to take it. I was too late to the party. Got a level right below it in POC. Yeah, I would have went long for that little bounce. Um, let's see. Bop bop. Yeah, that would have. All right. Yes, what we got going on here might be a long possibility on ES. Let me see. That I might be willing to. I don't know. I feel like I should have already been in that long. Coming down here. We'll take it. We'll take it. If it come down here. Let me see. You got NQ overshot. Let me see. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take gold. Okay. I'm long gold. Ooh. See if we can get a bounce. Tight stop. Tight stop. See if we can get a bounce. Bounce, bounce if you with me. Bounce, bounce. a nice bounce to that 45 area. Let's see if we can get a push. Push, 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 push. It's not. It is what it is. It's trying to bounce. Woo. Let's see. Can I get a bounce?
Just sitting right on it.
Yeah, it ain't. I mean, yeah, it won't. It won't budge for me. There we go. Yeah, push up, push up, push up. There you go. All I need is a little push. That's it. Every time it's trying to push it, it's fighting. See, this is when you like, there we go. Give me a little relief. Ooh, but every time. Can I get a little relief? There we go. Every time. It's just all right. Mm.
I don't know, cuz I gotta buy it short.
I don't know either. To be honest with you, it is what it is.
Yeah.
Um, let's see. Might not have been the move. It's it's going down now. Woo! I almost got took out, but I didn't. You got that little level for relief.
Yeah, I see it
right here. But if it, I mean, I got a tight stop on it. It's not even. So it's just a couple points, honestly. It's not even 3 points I got on it. As a stop. Let's see. Will that give us, is that area going to give us the bounce that we was looking? Kind of help us out? Push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Yeah, you take a little loss. I mean, if I lose this, I'm only down like $200. Ooh, yeah, I'm about to get took. Yeah, we got. It's pushing down. It's fighting. Ooh, I almost got took out again.
You must got your stop at a level I got. It's I just got it in between 33, 38, somewhere around there.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. That's a previous level.
That's where I'm at. Trying to see if we can go and push back up. That's why I say it's I don't even have, it's not even 3 points. So that's why I say I'll be down $200 if I get stopped out here, which it looked like definitely gonna get stopped out. And we regroup. Yeah, let's see. Nice little level. Okay. Push on back up. Push back above. We can push back up on above here. I might go on and go to break. Yeah, I'm out. All right, I'm about to get stopped. Every time I think I'm about to get, it's fighting. Yeah, but this thing definitely looked like it want to go lower. Unless we start really pushing strongly up. Like that, that's a sign there. Okay. No, sir. Oh man. Oof. Every time I'm like, okay, we back in business, baby. It go oh man. Yeah, I'm done. I'm cooked. Yeah, we cooked. Lost the trade.
It's bouncing off that level.
It is. And honestly, I probably should have. I should have got in here instead of up here, and I should have. But it's still, you know what I'm saying. I'm looking, and it
It's
looked
gonna break
like
that level.
so. My long bias is about cooked, and I'll be looking at shorts. Oh, for sure here, level to level. We done overshot this one. I would rather come up to here, and then get short, but I don't know. Might be cooked. Two minutes to 9 o'clock. I'm just going. Mm, mm. Yep. Pulling down more and more.
Yeah, I went short at that level.
Okay.
And I just got a closer to stop because it's a secondary level for me. Keep going. Keep going. Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
Order submitted.
Got the. Woo! That level. That 33, 32.
Yeah, I got out.
I was going short. Well, I put it on. I was looking for a little bit more of a pullback though, and I didn't. I wanted it to get a little bit up here, but I guess I should have took it there.
Keep going. We're gonna be coming in long territory soon.
I wanted to pull back first. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting on NQ to pull. ES to pull down right here. Mm.
About to go back up. Oh, no, it's not.
All right.
Ooh. Approaching the level. Oh, retest it off of it. All right, just be patient. Let's see.
Right. If we can't get a pullback in here, I just can't. I can't mess with it, man. I need a pullback. You know what I mean? Like now it's it's risk reward at this point. Yeah. Like I want to go short, but
right.
At the same time, you got to be patient and
because it's in the middle. It's like in between levels.
Because I wanted now that it broke this level, I wanted to take it, but at the same time, I'm like, that's super. Because one, you gotta start paying attention once it get to the lows and see what it's gonna do there. You gotta make your stops super tight. All right, pull back. Come on, pull back. There we go. Come on up. Give me some play. Got that 35. I might miss it.
Well, we got another candle coming. Well, on the 15. I'm looking at the 15.
Yeah, I got it on the 15.
All right.
Come on up. Patience. As much as I want to jump in, patience. 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 Okay. Pushing up.
Man, it was a strong bounce.
Mm-hmm. Out this 32 area.
Let's see.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Mm. Still, I'm still looking forward to pull up in here a little bit, but if we did, I would have got short. Could have, could be looking for an awesome entry, so to speak, but it is what it is, right? Ah! Oh man. Yeah. It, it was in my zone, but I was looking for a little bit more pullback than that. Ugh. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Well,
It's
can't
still.
catch them all.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I wanted a little bit more of a pullback before I got short.
Ooh, it's one of hey, we going to the previous yesterday's low. That's what I really want. Let me see.
Mm. Whew. Dang.
Yeah, I went short.
Oh, you in there?
Yeah, because it's on one of my levels. I'm gonna see if it'll ride down to the other low. But I got a tight stop too, just in case, because it's a secondary level for me.
Mm-hmm. Cub pulling the trigger. I'm the one hesitant today.
Hey, I'm in that thing. You're just gonna have to take me out. I'm at break even only because
Yeah, I wanted the short, and
yeah,
I don't know. I wanted to see if we can get a test here. I mean, we was close enough. We was a point off, and I just wanted it to pull back a little more, and we did. I was in that thing like Swinwell, but we didn't. We did not.
it took me out. But I did what you told me to do though. I sold one of the contract first and got a little bit of profit before it took me out at break even.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So working on my little scale in there. I just rode it too close, but I'm still biased. I'm still biased to the short. I ain't gonna chase it though. My next one would be targeting that 33.25 area.
Whew.
Order submitted.
I'll pay attention. I'm gonna go long for a bounce. If we come on down there, so I'm looking at ES. Look like we're getting close to a level there to possibly get filled on ES too. Let's see, go. Can we get that pull back? Then I short it. Just pay a cut. I'm gonna just keep it chill, baby. Keep it chill, baby. Yeah. Yeah, NQ. We got that on. Just gonna keep it chill. Hey, we just gonna watch and let it do what it do. We ain't gonna rush. We ain't gonna trip. Do 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 do.
It's summertime.
Yes, sir. Yep, just paying attention, man, and seeing what it do. See if it come on back. Like I said, man, I'll be interested. So I'm looking here. I guess when you start to look at ES, I'm looking for it to come down here. See what happens there. Mm-hmm. NQ on top of POC there. 15-minute, 30-minute is below it. Let's see what happened on all of them. Gold pushing up. I might be interested on the 30-minute. Got that level. You got the POC from yesterday. That's why I'm looking to short in that area. I'll take it for sure.
Ooh,
See if we
wow.
push up there. Keep rejecting. Man.
Just gonna be bouncing, huh?
Yeah.
Level to level.
Pretty much. That's what it looked like, right?
Right now, the ATR is 5.6. So let me see.
We'll see. See what happens there. Yes. I didn't. I missed that thing. It looked like by a couple ticks. Yep. Missed that thing by 2 ticks to get filled. Oh, well. See, that be the thing when you watching. Sometimes when you watching multiples. Hey. We'll see. We got the open. Open coming. It's Thursday. What's your plans for the weekend?
Low key, really. I don't have no plans. I don't think. Just doing some replay, and just focusing on my strategy. Just getting reps in. Get some reading in. Definitely hitting the park. That's a must.
Point of control move down on the higher time frame. Ugh. I'm not gonna chase it. Let's see. Point of control did move down on the 30 minute. Oh, I hate that. Come on, don't leave. Come on back in here and test. Barely sitting here looking at this. Barely. Okay, here we go. Let's see. See what happens in here.
It's shooting back up.
Yeah, shooting back up. See what happens. Let it get in here on the 30. See if we can. I want a cleaner entry since we're getting closer to the open, but I might not get it. So I might just have to be patient and just wait it out at this point. ES, you got me? You got me, ES? Looking at EQ. EQ pushed up on me. EQ as well. I was looking for more of a push down, EQ, but right on top of yesterday's high. what I'm saying? And it's trying to hold it. It's kind of wicked, which, I mean, that's NQ for you. NQ like the wick hard. Wick stop you out, then take off, go to where you want it to go. So you got to be precise with them entries on NQ. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting on everything, man. Is what it is. Yes, I like I said, I missed the entry. Couple ticks, 2 to be precise. I had it sitting there waiting. Came down, went down. Goal. Maybe I'm being a little greedy on my entry and could have got in there and shorted. But I'm looking for a cleaner entry. We're getting closer to the open. Yeah. It's all good. Getting closer.
Oh yeah, we got 7 minutes. We'll just wait at this point. Okay.
Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? Oh, man. Patience, young grasshopper. Patience. Patience. We got 5 minutes. Well, 4.5 minutes. 4.5 minutes.
Yeah.
Oops. Patience, young grasshopper. Uh-huh. Pushing down. Right in the middle. Mm. Maybe they'll open and give us what we want. But I want it to be short. But hey, man, we gonna go and push down. Hey, I'm patient. A small profit is better than a big loss. Cause that's when you start reading your your notes. Hey man, you know what I'm saying? You gotta, I got them all around here. When you genuinely accept the risk, you will be at peace with any outcome. Stay disciplined. Woo, stay disciplined, y'all. I know it's hard and you must stay patient, but you are in the business of creating money. Hey man, you can jump out here, jump out the porch you want to. Get bite, especially when it don't fit your plan. I could have shorted. I could have. We got the open. We got a lot going on to where patience. Now, what I really should have been long was this ES trade, but I should have been in here. That would have made the most sense. It's this trade, but that fit. But I was too busy. Gold got the most price action right now, so gold got my attention a little bit heavier than the others. So kind of looking. Okay, gold. Where you going?
Want to go down? It wick down.
I see. That's short, man.
That's what it looked like.
Should have been short.
Oh yeah,
I went short.
I went short.
You went short.
Yeah,
I'm waiting.
I ain't playing with it.
I'm patient, grasshopper. I'm patient, even though so the only reason why I didn't is because now I'm watching. I'm watching here, see what it do. It's the open. So I wanted to see what it do out the open. I might be left. On I'm talking to other ones. On ES, NQ, it's looking for a wick down. All right, let's take a look at what gold say it's gonna do here off the open. It's playing. That's what it's gonna do. It's playing. It's playing around this level. Let's see what it do. Patience. Okay. 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 All right. Is it gonna get that push? Still not. I need for it to show me what it want to do, baby. Whoo! Strong push to it. I'm still short-minded. It's just where this 35 area. Be patient. Let me see. I need to see what it do. And it's dropping hard from that 35 area. I was about to jump on in that thing. I might have missed it. It is what it is. I'm still watching. Okay. Okay. Mm-mm. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Coming for the lows. Coming for the lows. Mm-mm. I just can't pull the trigger today. I just can't do it. All right. Let's see here.
No, we pulling the
Toe
trigger.
tapping the level. See what happens here.
No matter what, I got profit locked in.
Good job.
Cause you told me, you said, hey man, you gotta either win or lose.
You're right about that.
I saw a spot. I'm like, oh, that's a go.
That's what's up. Oh yeah, you good.
Scaled out, catching the whole move.
Order filled.
Okay.
Oh, he hit my take profit. I had my take profit near the low. Okay.
Okay. I'm long.
Yeah, I think it's gonna bounce.
See if we can get a bounce.
That's the
If
move.
not,
That's the move I wanted. The long.
that long right there. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Let's see what it do.
It's struggling.
Woo!
Whew. Oh, it just took out yesterday low.
It did.
Mm-hmm.
Order submitted.
Nice. Woo. Oh, we taking heat now. we taking heat. We started taking a little heat off the low. Ooh.
I ain't cool with that. Right
Yeah.
now. It just blew past my level. Like,
Can we get back above 25?
It's retest.
It tried. Get back above 25. Whew. Yeah. Get back above 25.
It seems like it's gonna go back up though, because it ain't a lot of volume down there.
Yeah, I got on this rolling train. Get back above 25. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Woo! Come on. Come on. Back above 25 now. There we go. All right. Back above. Oh, man. I ain't liking this. This price action. I might go to break even quick sooner than I wanted to.
Man, this one was looking
Break
crazy.
back above. Okay, there we
Order
go.
filled.
I'm in something else. There we go. There we go. I think I'm in the NQ trade. I am. I'm in NQ long. Oof.
Hey, after the retest, I went long, cuz.
I'm long. I mean, I'm long. So
I just got a shorter stop loss. I got it behind the previous. See if we can.
Order submitted.
come on. Come on.
I got good risk to reward on this one, so I'm comfortable to where it's at.
Whew.
Ooh, it took me out. Damn. Okay.
I'm still in it.
All right. All right. Leave that one
I'm
alone.
still in it.
Leave that one alone. Okay. All right.
We at? Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. It's playing. Mm. Maybe I should have got out of it. Yeah, that thing dropping, ain't it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should.
I ain't gonna give nothing back to the market. I took that last little loss there.
It
But
is what it is. I'm at this point, we getting closer to my stop loss. I'm gonna let it play out, man. It is what it is. Let it do what it do, cuz. Okay, NQ. I'm long NQ too, and it's pushing up. Come on, baby.
All right. Cuz I think I'm gonna walk away with my little 970 today, cuz, and call it a day.
That's a good. Hey, I'm still in it, cuz.
Order filled.
Took that off NQ. I'm still on, cuz. I'm gonna keep holding it. I'm trying to see if we can break back above 3330.
Yeah.
Whew.
I got that level.
Yeah,
That's basic. Cause that's what I was looking to do. I was like, okay, because once it got to my previous day low and it came back, it retested, and I like I'm gonna go long, and I was just gonna go to that point. I was just gonna try to get like 6 points out of it, 5 to 6 points. I mean, the ATR is telling us right now what 6.3. So I was gonna try to catch that move. Oh well.
Yeah, we'll see what happens here. I'm still holding. Man, I'm about to cut it. Like shoot, price action. I'm kind of like, how you like, man. Look, you don't take your look. You want to let it cook, but also you like, man, go on, take your little profits. Be up for the day. You done already cut a trade, and so like but I'm trying to be patient. Be patient with it. I think I got a good spot where I went long, right? Trying to let it cook before I go to break even. And, there we go. There we go. Come on, brother.
I mean, I seen the candle. I mean, that previous candle is telling us it's a reversal is coming.
I'm trying to hold it at 33. Come on, 33, baby. 33. That's what the next level at. So see if we can see what we can do up here. There you go. Okay, we done broke the 30 area. There we go. There we go. Cuz say this might be it for him. I'm over here contemplating taking the profits. Let's see what it do. Can we get that push up, cuz? Can we get that push up? Can we get that push up? There we go. Let you run. Now I'm like, should I just scale? Come on, pop that. You know what? We gonna.
Yeah, cuz you all. There we go. Oh yeah.
Come on, baby. Yeah. Pop it. Go back. Take this candle out. Take this candle out. There it is. Come on. It is.
I'm done for the day.
You done for the day?
Yeah, because that one just pissed me off.
Yes, sir.
I'm feeling FOMO right now, so I know.
There we go. Yes. Ooh, go to full profit. Go to full profit. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Go to full profit. Cause I gotta move it up though, cuz. I got to, man. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Go keep pushing up. Push it up. So I'm at 3204. That's where I put my stop at. Trying to see if we can push up to that 39 area, cuz we can that's where my full profit is. I'm about to move. Trying to let it do what it do, man. But that would be perfect if it go up there to that 39 area. I should. Come on, baby. Push back up. Push back up. Push back up. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking. Whoa. I'm in something. What the heck am I in? Ain't NQ? Oh, ES? Oh, cut. Oh, yeah. Sell. Okay. Cut. Oh, yeah. Oh, cut. Yeah, we done for the day. I'm like, cuz nah. We done for the day.
You got two green trades?
Yeah. We're going to put this. Put that up there. Oh, yeah, cuz we definitely done for the day. Yes, sir. Come on, baby. Come on, go. Where you at? Come on up here. Stop playing with your boy. Give your boy 10 points. Give your boy. Yeah. Cuz we gonna go on and push this thing up. Come on, take me out, cuz. Take me out, baby. Take me out. Almost. It's pushing. It's pushing. You know what? Let's see. Let's push that thing up a little bit. Let's trail it, cuz. We ain't gonna play with it, cuz. We gonna just trail it. Cause we already up there. 10 points. Let's take out 10 points. There we go. Cut. Where we at? Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's going.
Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Go. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing, go. Keep pushing, go. There you go.
Order filled.
Ooh. What?
It went down. It retested off of that.
I'm out of it, cuz.
Out of that 33.38, it rejected hard off of that level. That's the same level from a candle ago, 2 candles ago. Yep, 1 and 2. Yep, they both kind of hit that area and retested.
Man, you a bust.
Oh, wow.
Cuz now I want to take it out.
Dang.
Patience, grasshopper. Dang.
Trailing it too close.
Too close.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Because I wasn't 100% confident in it.
I should have just let my stop right where it was.
Order submitted.
It is a nice little area to short as well.
Cause the only trade I'm taking is if it go to 33.51.
Order filled.
Okay. Bye.
Order submitted.
Ooh. No. A minute. Set that take profit. Setting it here. Oh shit! Cuz
Cut, what you doing?
I'm done. That's it. I'm done. I was trying to set my take profit, and I made a mistake and just hit the instead of putting it on the I'm done. That's it. So, cuz I only took a point.
But it was more on the table to get, wasn't it?
Yeah. So I'm definitely looking for it to come back to this 34 area, from the 40, and so. But I mean, I'm out of it now. I was trying to set my take. I don't know. I've been kind of all over the place today anyway. So I'm up $1,000. I'm done. It is what it is.
Yeah, it might be time to shut it down.
Right. You know what I mean? You make it. I mean, clearly I ain't been on it like I usually am. I'm slow to the trigger. I'm doing stuff. Yeah, I could have had 3, but at least 3. I was waiting for it to break under 38, and then go to break even. But it's pushing up too. But you got the point of control and a level right here where it's at now. I just was which is kind of where I wanted to take it, but the short, but I didn't want to miss it either. So see what they do. But I'm not taking anything else. Make sure I ain't got nothing else on the books. But yeah. NQ, there was an NQ trade, but I took it off. ES, that was a nice little bounce. We could look at that real quick. But that I was looking at, it finally came to my little area and filled me, and you see it shot back up. That was a nice trade. And Q, excuse me, this is where, for me, it'd be the better trade. But like I said, gold did us justice today. Let's hold up, man. Let's go to gold and look at this wick candle here. Let's just talk about it, how it wicked down. Jeez. Right here, and then on the 15-minute, you can see it even better. Like, check this out. Came down here, wicked all the way down. That's crazy. I'm long here. I'm long in there. I'm like, yeah, I'm taking it. Forget it. And now it's all the way, wicked all the way down, which this was the area of the initial, like I'm trying to get long. Wicked down. Look at it. It's pushing up. Sheesh. So long off the lows of yesterday to see it push up. That's crazy. It's all good though. A solid day. Can't be mad. Quick, solid day. We've been trading less than an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Can't be mad, man. And you
up $1,000. I'm up 970. So, and think about it. The levels that I called out, it did what I like. The way I set up my plan today, it did exactly that. It hit both of my levels. I had my bias, I have my context, but then willing to be a little bit adjustable to basically what the market is giving us. But it happened exactly how I wrote it.
And then even that short, right? Like, it doesn't necessarily mean it's over yet. Like, I would still be in the short and and I still, even at this point, I would be up, but right, I would be up. But sometimes one thing you have to realize, and this is why stops are so important, is the over wicking, like, and understanding risk reward and understanding where you can get your best stops. Like, look at it. Now it's, shot up. Now it's going down. It could possibly come down. I would like to see what it did in the 33, 35 area, which would be, a nice short looking there. And then, possibly 32 if it continues to the downside. But got 4 minutes just to kind of see. But yeah, and this is what I have to work on too. So, and now, me just analyzing and thinking, just being honest, I'm more hesitant on shorts than I am with longs. And thinking about it from the standpoint, because my percentage of being right is way better on longs than it is on shorts. So sometimes, psychology kicks in and you hesitate on the shorts, right? Hesitate. Like I've been this. So if we think about this area, I was looking to short before the open, and I hesitated on taking the short then. I took the short. Look at it, coming on down. Took the short and messed around trying to set my take profit. I ended up closing out the trade. You know, and sometimes, yeah, just psychology kind of kicks in, and this is why your mental is so important. You know what I mean? And sticking to your plan when you're taking the trade. This is where I wanted the short. I've been looking for this short. I look for it to come back to this area, right? Retest, didn't get it. Now we got it, and it's doing what it's supposed to do. And I literally played myself. I literally played myself, right? So looking for it, and you know, now we're in the 35 range, which was my first key target of getting down to this level. And so now, you know, we would have been 5 points in, and it's like, okay, you know, let's see what it does here. Do I want to go to break even? Does it look like it's going to continue to the downside? Or do I want to scale out? You know, just go on and take some profit. And that way, you know, because my risk versus reward, I'm still going to make money. Even if I don't move my stop at this point, I'm still going to make money on the trade. Because my risk was only 3 points. Because so what I was looking, I can't sit here and watch this thing, cuz I can't see.
Ooh, it's going down.
That's what I'm saying. So here, getting in here, I'm looking right here, right? So I'm like, okay, if we break back above this area, I'm no longer interested. So, you know, I'm putting my stop in here. It's a little over 3. Well, now we already where we at? We 7 points in, you know. So just to say, if I would have scaled out here, I'm guaranteed to make profit. Even if I don't move my stop, I'm still guaranteed to make some type of profit. So now that's when you say, okay, are we going to go on and take out this level? We take out this level, we wick down. And so now this is what you watch here. It may play around on this level before possibly shooting back up or breaking it and saying, you know what, we broke the lows. We want to continue to break to the downside.
Hey, man, it's no FOMO. It is what it is.
You know what? It is what it is. You right.
I'm telling myself it's done. It's infinite opportunity.
I'm done. I'm not. I'm done. You know what I'm saying? It's just for the simple fact that and of course it's easier to look at it now, hindsight, than before, right? Because at the open, this is what I said. I want to get short here. Oh, I'm looking for, right there. I'm looking for a little bit more of a pullback, yada, yada, yada. Okay, we didn't get it. Okay, we finally got it. We in here. This is the trade. This is my mega trade. This is the trade I'm looking for it to go back and test the lows. That trade could have got in here. It did it. Okay, second chance. Come back here. I'm in it. I'm in it. Like, oh, okay, let me set everything up. Let me set my stops. Took myself out the trade. Made a point.
And they call that unforced errors.
Unforced errors, man.
That's what I'm writing down in my notes. Errors. Like, even though being up, I still had some errors. Because I did one of the trades we both were in at the same time. And I was trailing it way too close, just being too cautious because I wasn't 100%. It was a secondary trade. And so I was like, let me go in with only one contract. And I'm going to follow it with a close stop. And it hit my stop, went back the other way. And it did exactly the whole reason why I got in the trade. The move happened. It's just I was too close. So that's an error.
Dang. Yes. Came back here, pushing up. Maybe I should have. Maybe I shouldn't have, let it take it to the PLC. I should have just um, let it do what it did. Do what it do. So we shot, and okay, now it's trying to push back up. But see, now this is where you feel kind of, because we wicked up and we don't wick down. So it's gonna make a decision up in here if it wants to go up or continue to the downside. So now, this is one of them trades you probably could sit in for a while to see, because this is one of this is when you could be sometimes, anyways, long and short at the same time, to see like which way it's gonna go. Because you could even long here of saying, you know what, it may push back up here, right? And so getting here, you're like, all right, you know what, I'm gonna just go to break even, or I'm gonna scale out up here, or you know what I mean, or you like go to break even, here, even though I would like to short, because if you especially like me, if you got to end up here, right? I mean, you got more area for it to breathe, because I mean, you got this area right here to be support for your short trade of saying, you know what, I can just put my stop, down up in here. We get back up in here, I probably don't want to be in it, but it may just play around in this area and then eventually pop up, pop down. So this is when you could be, right at the same time in a trade. Because this little box, this little box gonna be telling. This little box, especially with this wick, look at it. It's pretty much kind of the same, which is crazy. Lets you know they don't know which way they want to go at this moment. But I would still be more. I would rather be on the short side than the long side. But it's definitely a way that you could possibly be, because now it's breaking this level and see again and see if we want to come back and test. But look how them wicks are. Yeah. We don't know. Wicks up, wicks down. I know, because you're a little bit bigger on candlesticks than I am. But I mean, anybody can kind of look at this and say, ooh, let's see what it do when it, if it come on down here short side, and see if we can go and break these wicks. Yeah. To the downside. And it looked like it's coming. Yeah. Look like it's coming.
I look for the candles where it looked like an obvious trend reversal, or like a pin bar, or a bullish engulfing candle, or bearish, just a doji, just those kind of major ones where it's like, oh, it's about to change.
So see, look how now, where it got right up in here, down here, and then to the 31 area where it looked like, okay. And then now it pushes. That's why I say, like, this one of those going long here, because you still got this level of support. Yeah. And then like now you got this area on the other side. So it's like, now you're looking for it to break above. But I mean, that's either side of this is a solid trade. Yeah. Where you at least taking profit.
Yeah. Because right now, I mean, a couple candles ago, that doji, that was an indicator that, hey, this is about to turn around. But then the next candle, you got the wick, right? Like, it's like, and then the next candle, you got another wick going the opposite direction. So it's like, ooh, okay.
Right.
What's happening here?
So, you know what I mean? For people, so it looks like it's gonna, technically looking, it could be, and it could have said, you know what? Nah, we want to go to the upside. Or, like I said, is, this area is starting to form in, even though, of course, the higher volume is up here, right? But we're starting to build some high volume in here.
Yeah. So yeah.
Okay. It's pushing up. Now it's formulating this level.
33, 38.
So I say you get maximize on either side. So think about it, like you like, oh, okay, I'm here. Or I'm up here. And like I said, it's just battling in this area. and it's like, okay, what do we want to do? what do we want to do? Do we want to push up, which we just did? Now it's pushing back down. All depends on you and what you want to do. So, but yeah, I mean, okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not. That last trade was enough for me to say, no matter what, I'm done. Um, yes, I guess. Let's see. We'll look real quick. I'll tell you what I'm looking at. ES. ES is pushing up to the upside. Um, we're making higher highs and higher lows. We wick down. It's just choppy. Summer trading too. Um, ES. Whew. I honestly, which I mean, this was the greater play, of course, trading off of the high of yesterday. But we do have this level at 61.56, and I would look at that. But if we can break and not wick, break and hold, I would start looking at shorts in this area to test some of these lower levels. I think that if we do that, we could start to see possible breakdown to the downside. But I mean, up in here, I'm not interested anymore. I like to see a break and hold here. NQ, what we looking at with Boo Boo? Boo Boo, I only messed with you one time. You got me a nice little trade. No, you didn't. That was ES. Um, as you can see, yesterday's high has been, which is we got the POC of today. Yesterday's high has just been kind of trading around here. We're breaking it now, so a nice short could be forming here. You might get left to the table, but look for a nice little pullback here, possibly to get short, trying to go down to some of this lower areas. That's what I look for in Q. I'll be looking at shorts. So my short bias is starting to kick in on some of these of testing, which also, like I said, I'm typically better at longs and finding the pullbacks in areas and then taking those. I didn't do anything, of course, on oil, which y'all know. I don't. Some days I just don't do anything with oil. It just don't be worth the squeeze for me. Right now, we got an inside day from yesterday, so it would be nice to break the highs of yesterday or break the lows. We're closer to breaking the lows, but of yesterday. But more than likely, it's probably like a little inside day here. We'll see. But what would I do? I would like to see if it come down here again. Point of control over yesterday, level. See if we can test that. If we can hold that level, get long, or if we break this level, hold to the downside. I'll be looking to go test the short. Test the lows of the overnight. Gold. Gold is doing exactly what I just said. Still, it just hasn't picked a side. It's kind of playing in this level area. You got this level, then you got a point of control previously. Monday, it's right on top of that. Then you got this level here. It's playing inside. So at this point, to be honest with you, we need to break the 33.28 to the downside for me to be looking, or we need to go on and break back above this area here, that 33.40 area, and then I'll be interested in possibly taking a trade or even looking at longs.
Yeah.
To start moving back up and testing the overnight high. possibly. But now we getting mid trade time, right? And so of course, it typically starts to slow down, for a while, and
Yeah.
we're just playing in this area. Let me see. Let's look at the 5 minutes. See what the 5 minutes is telling us, real quick here. Yeah, 5 minutes telling us that
Yeah, just trading
we stuck. We straight, like I said, we trading in this little range here, and we have not decided which way we want to go. 5 minute coming up here, rejected. We did come here, right? We did make a lower low, but even with that, we still shot back up. So, we could be in a little range that just wants to stay. Not sure. But I mean, at this point for me, it's gonna have to break out of this range, and it's gonna have to go on and break here, and break back up above here, break back above this level here, and then I might be a contender. But that's it, man. I don't have nothing else. Just kind of watching. Like I said, it's kind of over with for me. I probably would have scaled out, maybe still been in that short, just waiting to see what it does, and that's it. You got anything else?
No, so I've been listening to trading in the zone, and man, it's the mentality, it's the mental, man. It's you might be able to recognize the patterns and the levels, but like execution, like when you see the move, take it without hesitation. We're going to lose. That's a part of the game, and you got to be okay with it. And the part that I'm reading right now is talking about how, what was it talking about? It was talking about, dang, what was it saying? It was talking about because trying to learn losses away.
Huh.
You see what I'm saying? Like you dig in even more into more information, more studying, more, and it's like you can't outstudy the loss. Like the losses is a part of the game. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So that was interesting.
I think that, and of course, I talk about that. Like, you have to be comfortable with taking losses, because you're gonna take losses. Your goal is to what? I got it up. A small profit is better than a big loss. So risk reward, understanding that piece, and don't double down. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, as some people, they may look at what I'm doing, right? And it's like, bro, you got your stop set at 2 points, 3 points. And it's like, yeah, I do, because I'm looking at, areas where it could possibly get held up. And I'm okay with that, because another thing that you may find, and which is, maybe different for me than other people, is that, okay, we look in here, right? And just say, okay, say I went long here, right? I went long here earlier, but then I just put my stop right below this level, and then boom, it took me out. Just saying that. But I'm looking to the upside here of, and I'm just using this level. We have a level here, but I'm gonna act like this one ain't here. I'm looking to the upside like, whoo, that's a lot of real estate. So, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, I'm willing to take that and have a tighter stop. But somebody may look like, bro, like, you got such a tight stop, like you ain't letting it breathe. And I'm like, you right. But if it come down here and it come here, this may be a better place for me to get in to still take that same trade. And so now I'm down a couple hundred, which is perfectly fine, right? to then go 10 points, right? So you down a couple hundred, then you go 10 points, and now you up now you up 700, right?
Yeah.
Seven, you know what I mean? Like, but it's all about how you do it. I'm okay with doing that. Some people are not, because it's all on your mental of how you trade and how you feel comfortable. Because I look at it like, if I miss 2 trades and I'm down 500, like, I literally can take another trade and be up 500 based off of how I trade. So it's like, okay, I'm not worried about taking losses. I'm worried about taking big losses. And so having that understanding and staying within yourself on that, then you good. So you trade how you want to trade. Some people, they only trade once, twice a day. So it's like, all right, well, you know what? I'm going to take the trade here, and then I'm looking, and so I got 8 points, but me getting in here, I'm looking all the way up here. You know what I mean? And it's like, oh yeah, it's still a 2-to-1 trade. But if you lost, it's like, well, I'm done for the day. Some people, hey, that work for some people. You know what I'm saying? Where it's like, hey, I take pretty well one changing trade a day, and just look for a nice swing, looking for that turnover. This is crazy. Like I said, man, we finna go on another area, and it's still stuck in this little area, man. So it's one of those trades you probably sit in till lunch or even after lunch. But anyways, for me, that works. Like I said, it's like, I cut a trade. I took a loss. I'm only down, a couple hundred. And once again, so in my mind, it's like, if I'm right, I'm green. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm green. And not only am I green, like, I'm up a few hundred. Like, I'm not up, I'm up $100. You know what I'm saying? I'm green. I'm up $100. I'm getting closer to where I want to be. So now it's like, boom, you take another trade and you win that, which is what happened. It was like, oh, okay, we getting close to being done. And then now the icing on the cake, the trade that I was looking for all day, it came, and I forced the error. I fumbled the rock. Nobody even touched me. I just fumbled. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm out the game, because now like I said, look, it's still doing what I said. So this is kind of that no man's land. But if you was already in the trade, you know what I'm saying, up here, you still looking sweet. If you was down in the trade down here, you still looking sweet. You know what I'm saying? Like, and now you just waiting, like, all right, do I want to, go to break even and, let it kind of pick, or, like I said, scale out, and then just let the one contract, it could turn into a big trade depending on what side you own, but more than likely it's going to pick a side eventually at some point, and it's going to be a nice move to the upside, or it's going to be a nice move to the downside. So chill. Well, all right, we done, man. Also, this is telling people, look, man, you, depending on what your goals are, like, you done. You now you can go do some other things. It's summertime here, so my kids is up here running crazy. So I gotta go up here and run crazy with them. But yeah. Anything else you want to add, cuz? You ready to start taking the combine? What's up?
I'm a register. I'm thinking top of the month. What you think?
Hey man, I think that until you see it, then that's when you start to make your adjustments. Cause I don't think I think it started to bring on different emotions once you get in the game.
Yeah.
That you like, ooh, okay, I ain't even really think about this like that. And I gotta figure this piece out. So I think that once you get in the game, you'll be like, all right, cool. Yeah. So whenever you're ready, man. Whenever you're ready.
Yep. I'll do top of the month.
Okay. Yeah. So we here. You got a week. Actually, next week.
Yeah.
next week. All right, y'all. Make sure to like, subscribe, come trade with us. Hopefully, y'all did great as well too. And if you're gonna keep trading, continue to do great. Peace.
All right, holla at y'all later.